Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make spur gears animation. This is the assembly. So we begin with the assembly. At first we draw some circles for making things easy. I am drawing this in inch, so I take 1 6 and another 3. Now I need to make them geometrically fully defined. See how I do? I make them tangent because they are gears. They should be tangents. Now you click settings and add-ins and select tool SolidWorks tool library. When you select your design library, you will directly I show you from the beginning how I go. I select toolbox, it's inch, and go to power transmission, gears. Now I am selecting these 4 gears. Now I have to select its geometry. I have done it earlier, so all of the geometry are provided, but you can check my geometry. I am taking its pitch 6 and also number of teeth I am taking 36. Now I am taking width 1 for looking it beautiful. I have a hole for the shaft and a keyway for the shaft, like rotating, giving the power transmission. Now I make a copy of it and making the teeth number half of it, because one was 6 and another was 3, so it will be automatically 3. And I need the shaft size also proportional to it, so I need to select this and go to the edit toolbox. I just need to make the shaft diameter, nominal shaft diameter, proportional to 1, because then it will be like half of the previous one. Now I need to make them mate with the front plane. Wait, it is not doing. Maybe I have done a mistake. Let me check. Oh, I didn't float it. If I didn't float it, it will not move. So I have floated it now. Now it will do easily. Okay. If I select this cylinder with this point, it will not gonna work, because you see they are crossing inside and it will not work. I need to think a better way. Wait, I have to delete this mate first. I think the outer cylinder should be concentric with this cylinder. It will be good. Like this outer cylinder with the outer circle I have drawn. If I make them concentric, it will be good. Yes. Now I show you some physical movement of it. If I move it like this, it will go through it. But see, now I will show you one thing. You can do like this. Go to move component and then physical dynamics. You will see they will rotate like this. But if they meshes, then it will not do. Now I will show you how to make an animation. Go to motion study, select motion analysis, select the frame rate 25, it's okay. You can make your quality high. Now I'll make the contact and I'll make them solid. At first I give the time. Now I make it both the bodies solid. Okay, then they will not emerge. Now I'll make a motor. I will select the inner part of it. For rotating, I gave it is 15 rpm. Now select the calculate button. Now it will calculate, and this is my animation. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.